again here, you're only allowed to drive 70. And there's a small little town coming up. It's pretty much straight through the town, see? You're supposed to be slowing down already. Because where the light is, you're supposed to be going down to 50. And the light is turning, it's a good sign. Just slowing down because they show you on the right side how fast you go. See, I'm slow, so no, 56. See, 54. Thank you, they say. Thank you very much. Oh, there you go. We missed it. That's not good. We're wasting our time because somebody decided he needs to turn left. These two cars here. Unbelievable. Can't believe this. Look at this. We're waiting for them. Then maybe we should take a different route. Look, little BMW. And it's green. You can tell on the left side here. A lot of school kids waiting for the bus. Right? Some people walking. Here full. It's like 30-35 kids. The gas is very expensive this morning. $1.90. You never take gas in the morning. Never. Too expensive. The gas will drop down to maybe 20-25 cents by tonight. So a small little town called Möser. You can look it up on Google Map. It's straight. You go through. You know, you can buy an RV on the left side if you want. Palmovsky. Right side, it's a Greek restaurant. And you're pretty much out of the little town. And we almost reach our goal, where we want to go today. Next town, called Gerwisch. Very similar to Möser. Small town. You go through in 2 minutes. And then sooner or later you're in Magdeburg. Die Landeshauptstadt von Sachsen-Anhalt. So the capital of this little province. 70 again. Always pay attention to your speed. The roads are not very busy this morning. Oh, 70 ends. This means now you can go 90. But you can see the light in the back. This means you have to go down to 50 again. People passing each other. Somebody's driving very slow. Yeah, that's how Germany looks like middle of March. Pretty green. 10 degrees. Spring is coming. And it's very interesting here in the middle of nowhere. They decided we should put a light in. To annoy people. Because there's more little towns going to the left and to the right. You see Lostau right and Körblitz left. And you know, the people who go there, they need, you know, to stop us. We have a Cheyenne in front of us, a Porsche. It's an, you know, I don't know why somebody drives an SUV here in Germany, because this will be using a lot of gas. Gas is expensive. You can do the math. €1.90 for a liter of normal gas or benzene, wherever you are in the world. It's pretty expensive. Yeah, now we come into this little town called Gerwisch. Make a little stop here. Gas station on the right side, Shell. Sometimes the gas drops already. Let's see what the difference is. Last time we checked was 190. $189. See, dropped. And this goes down until tonight. Tonight we can see the 170, 167, 168. Always in the evening. So this is called Gerwisch. See, people put their garbage containers out. Today is yellow. So you have to follow like a schedule. We have 4 different containers. So you have to follow the schedule to see what day, what time. Alright, look at this. Here's Edeka on the right side. If you want some shopping done, you go here. They're already open. I think 7 o'clock opens. Kids go to school. And then turn left here. And then we arrived in our destination. Click, 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 click. Let's see. Where do we park? Let's park over here. That's a nice spot. Alright, that's it for today. Maybe later more. Bye bye.